Woo! It is hot in Tokyo. Right on my left over here, you can see Meiji Jingu Shrine. That's the area for the Yoyogi forest as well. And we're heading towards actually Yoyogi area. So we're heading, me, Jin, Mikhail, we're heading towards the Yoyogi area. What's up, guys? We're in Yoyogi Park on a Sunday, and we caught the greasers that always dance on Sundays. Let's go check them out for a bit. Come on. I think this group is called The Strangers. I forgot what they're called. I do follow them on Instagrams. Might get copyrighted by the songs, but here you go. I like the vintageness of them, how they still embrace the culture. 50s, 60s, 40s, rock and roll. Pretty cool. I love it. Love it. These are the greasers of Yoyogi. These are the strangers, I believe. They all have different like names, and this is a cool one. I love their dresses. Super cool. Very cool. Alright, so if you ever wanted to watch the greasers of Yoyogi Park, come on Sundays, maybe the afternoon time. You'll always catch them every Sunday. And they take turns dancing. There used to be a bigger group with different like other battles kind of stuff. It was cool. We're gonna check out the doo-wop over here. Let's check it out. Like traveling back in time, 40s, 50s, early 60s, cool stuff here in Yoyogi Park. Alright, I don't know if you can hear all the cicadas. That's always like a summer thing here in Japan. But like it'll go away in a few weeks from now when it becomes like rainy season. It's cicadas making that sound. We're passing Yoyogi Park right now. You see people just hanging out, enjoying the park. Yeah, cicadas. Woo. Alright, so this is the entrance to Meiji Jingu. It's a forest in Yoyogi. There's also a Meiji Jingu shrine where this emperor made to honor his wife, his love for his wife. That's the cool torii gates for Meiji Jingu. Alright, so we're in Harajuku. I used to really love this place in Harajuku. This is Takeshita Dori. Takeshita Dori. So Takeshita Dori. It's a famous, like, used to be kawaii fashion and all that stuff. And it's always busy on Sundays. So let's go ahead and walk down and check it out. Alright. So this is Wigo. There used to be more like, I guess, maybe local mom and pop owned fashion brands. Now this whole place has kind of became more commercialized, you know. But this is like, a while back, people always wanted to come here to check out the kawaii fashion, the way that people dress. And of course, you know, change of times, people change how their fashion is and stuff. So of course, along with the stores, they have changed. And most of those like thrifted and all that stuff, kawaii fashion, kind of faded away from this Takeshita Dori. But it's still a cool place to be. Nonetheless, it's always alive on Sundays. This store has always been here. But this actually used to be a Murasaki Sports. Would you believe that? Let's keep it going. There used to be a 360 yen shop down here, but I guess now it's like a Cry clothing. Never heard of that. Otter, you could pet an otter, and this one is dried fruits. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's getting crowded. This area right here always gets congested. Right around Candy A Go-Go and the Sanrio store. But it's cool, man. So yeah, if you're coming to Japan, Tokyo in general, Harajuku Sundays is the place for you to go. I do recommend it, and for you to check it out. It's always interesting. Come here on Sundays, it's busy though. That's the busiest time to come here. $7-Eleven right here, and some touts, and then some cool shawarma shops. That's new. Alright, so try to hurry it up and kind of end this, I don't know, soon. Yeah, let's just check it out. This is a new building. Look at that. Busy. And it's probably like 5 p.m. right now. Look at this cotton candy. Look at that potato. Wild. Cool. That's some cool designs if you're trying to get like souvenirs. But again, over time, this place has become a tourist trap, kind of, and prices have kind of went up. Ooh. So yeah, I really love the past Harajuku Takeshita Hawaii fashion era. This new era here has kind of changed, but I do love. I kind of went to Shinokubo that kind of has the same vibe, kind of very tiny, the vibes from the past. It's Ryu blasting a capsule lab over here, and yeah, this way also leads to a mall and Uniqlo's and stuff. We're just walking through, and there is the end of Takeshita Dori. Yeah, so if you've ever seen a McDonald's in Japan, it's not like anywhere else. I think McDonald's Japan is the best in the world. The burgers and the taste has really good stuff. If you're here, try to get an ebi burger. It's a shrimp burger. Ooh. Le Ponte. This place is cool. It has some cool shops as well. Don't miss this spot here. And that's the end, and that's Harajuku Station right in front of me. And this is where everyone kind of takes their Instagram worthy Takeshita Dori street pics right over here. Thanks for watching. This is Haneda Terminal 3, right when you get down from the Limited Express or train. From here, we're going to go to the 3rd floor for departures. Okay, so we're gonna take an elevator. Elevator up. Go ahead and wait for the elevator. As you can see, 2nd floor is arrivals, 3rd is departures. So if you come and you want to head into like Yokohama and Shinagawa, you would have to get off at the 2nd floor. Third floor. This is the departure lobby. There's a Mitsumatsumoshi Kisho, whatever, I can't pronounce it, and departure lobby. Right when you head over here and you take a left, you should have the information center if you need information in this airport, or there's maps here, of course. Yeah, and some lockers over here, and then currency exchange. 138 is today's locker rate. Okay, there's a departure lobby. We took the elevator, you could take the escalator, it's more faster. But just in case you are here and you're trying to depart from Haneda. There, Yukata. Yeah, there's 7-Eleven right here on my right. Not bad. And then global Wi-Fi if you need some pocket Wi-Fi and so forth. So here, you'll see all of the departure gates. So right there is the information center. I don't know if you can see it right over here. And then if you go up, that's where the food court is. And there's also another floor up to take sights of the airplanes leaving. And yes, if you gotta look at the letters, they have your own flights, like whatever brand airplane flight you took, you should look for that. I'm taking United. United should be on the right side here, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh yes, it's a letter D. But again, right here's the information in case you need it. Let me pause this real fast and we'll go back into this tour. I'm looking for the mailbox. Oh, there's the mailbox, I believe. Okay, this is the departure area of Haneda. The bottom. No, we're on D. Okay, so here, right? If you have a pocket Wi-Fi and you have to send it back like by mail, it's right behind the information center. It's right here, this post office box, which I'm gonna do right now for the pocket Wi-Fi of mine. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go to D, which is United, and go ahead and see if we can check in. You can do your online boarding, or you can do it here to check in. Alright, so this is United that I took, and the line is pretty long. We're just gonna go ahead and check the gate. We're checking in luggage, and oh, that's Turkish Airlines. United is still closed. Ah, okay. Jen's thirsty. Yeah, we're here at Haneda Airport, about to leave. We're just gonna pack our stuff. Yeah, it is good. Kelp is good.
We keep buying the.
So actually over there is actually the other terminals, like Terminal 1 and 2. If you want to see it right across. And you have full skyline of Tokyo right over there. You can see the Tokyo Skytree. Very cool.